So here's the egg fried rice, and I will garnish it with some spring onion on top. There you go, done. Oh, I don't mind giving a bit more fried garlic.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Somehow today Appa is craving for fried rice. And not any fried rice, but just plain golden egg fried rice. So I'm going to show you how to do it. And today I'm going to use a little bit different method, all right? Of course, I have some pre-cooked rice, and you don't really have to use the rice one day before. I normally request my mother-in-law to pre-cook it few hours before I do the dinner. And then I'll have about 2 eggs here. The rice we have here is approximately 1.5 cup, good for 2 to 3 adults. And this is 2 eggs and some spring onion, yeah? I'll be using a bit of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder as well as some fried garlic. That's all we need for golden fried rice. Alright, so first of all, you're going to give it about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil to start with, vegetable oil. And you want to really heat up the oil because we are going to fry the egg first before we put in the rice. Alright, then you open out break the egg and also mix it up. Once you start seeing some smoke coming up, meaning the oil is pretty hot, you can then put in the egg. Very fast. The egg will be cooked. After that, we will put in the rice. All right. The video will get overexposed very fast, very easily. After you add in anything whitish color. There are many ways as to how you can make a golden fried rice. Seriously, there's really no right or wrong. I admit I actually put in the egg a little bit earlier than I supposed to today, because today I thought I was wanting to make the egg a little bit more char. But it's all right. It's okay. It is still going to be very, very fragrant. Egg fried rice, like the word suggests, the real flavor really comes from the egg itself. So I always like to use some nice fresh eggs, yeah, for this purpose. Look at the eggs. It looks so good, isn't it? Next thing, we're going to season this. Before that, I'm going to tune down the fire. Give it some salt. A bit of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. Or you can use any chicken stock you can find. A bit of fried garlic. And very importantly, 1 round of light soya sauce. Now we can raise the heat to medium high. You see our egg fried rice is almost done. Papa always got fried garlic at home. Try to make some fried garlic and fried onion to stand by, yeah? Very fragrant right now. Almost done. Right before we want to serve, we will put in the spring onion. Give it a few stir. And our egg fried rice is ready. I did not put much ingredient here, just egg and also spring onion, and I guarantee you it's still going to taste really, really good. So here's our golden fried rice. Done. Ta-da! So here's the egg fried rice, and I will garnish it with some spring onion on top. There you go. Done. Oh, I don't mind giving a bit more fried garlic. Alright, done. Here's my very simple egg fried rice. I hope you all enjoyed tonight's video. If you like this is my dinner, by the way, my family dinner. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page, click like and follow button, follow Appa on Instagram, and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.